Alright, my heart's beating now.
Yeah?
Wait.
Yeah, do it.
We're on a mission to travel to all 7 continents with no money. And in this episode, we're in Gold Coast, Australia, and we try to sneak into one of Australia's biggest festivals. A festival headlining one of the biggest artists in the world, Post Malone.
Alright, anyone got any plans? Any ideas?
You've sneaked into a festival before.
Boom. That's first fence done. Climb in here. Let's do this.
Give me your tips, bro.
Just climb the fence and fucking run. Honestly, I think that should be the game plan.
Yeah.
Chapter 9. Congratulations.
Alright, we made it to the venue. It doesn't look like it's gonna be super hard. It looks pretty doable.
Still, the stakes were high. Though a night in a police cell would be a unique way of getting free accommodation, we didn't fancy it. And also,
I really don't want a big fine. That'll complicate our trip much more.
Yes.
our mission is to travel the world with no money, and so getting a fine would be a huge problem for obvious reasons. Upon arrival, we suspected that just climbing the fence wouldn't be enough.
First of all, climb the first fence, and then there's a stadium to get into, and I suspect we'll have to get past security to get inside the stadium.
If that were true, we'd need to sneak 3 people past 2 lines of security. But then we took a closer look.
There's literally one fence and then you're inside.
Look at this fence. I've seen better fences in my life.
And look here. There's no security anywhere.
Bro, look at the stadium. I literally just see people walking in there without any security being there. Bro, this is so doable, man. What's up, boys? Is that possible?
I won't fit. Boys, can you stick it? Yeah.
We are.
Best of luck.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go for it.
Well, I don't know, bro. Let's scout out for other places first.
Bro, there's no security.
Alright, my heart's beating now. Should we do it?
This is Sage, by the way. In the last episode, we road tripped across Australia with 2 complete strangers. One was Rhea, who we said goodbye to in the last episode, and Sage would join us for a bit longer on our adventures.
There you go. Let's go! Let's go, Sage.
Wait. Okay, security is gone. Let's see him jumping.
Alright, fuck it, I'm gonna do it now.
Nuko. Let's go. Okay,
go.
we have to get
Right,
out
away
of here.
here.
People saw us.
Yeah.
We have to get out of here.
I think we just got in. This is fucking insane. Holy fuck, we're inside. Holy fuck! Let's go, bro! It's so easy. Yeah, bro!
And now, all there was left to do was get into the stadium without being checked.
Let's go, bro! I don't fucking believe it was that easy. I cannot believe it. Oh shit!
Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga graduation. I pick up the rock and I bop. Super Bowl, call the hoes, get in the rolls. Top flow lifestyle.
So we texted Pauline that we got in, and now she's on her way to go up over the fence as well.
In the last episode, we got hosted for a couple of days by the kind Pauline. We said goodbye to her, then drove to Brisbane to drop the car off. Next, we hitchhiked back to the Gold Coast, only to crash at Pauline's place again.
We're gone for a day.
And the next day was today, the day of the festival. And in the morning, we made her a promise.
Good luck. Oh, can you guys let me know if you get in?
Yes.
We will let you know.
And then
We will.
if you get in, can you also slip in?
Yes.
All right.
Hello? This is it.
You can do it easily.
You can do it. Lift
There's a
yourself
lot
up.
of people coming right now.
Yeah.
I think the anxious was it like that?
Yeah, it
No,
was like that for
yeah.
us too.
There are no security guards now, so do it now. Don't think about it, just do it.
Yes! Do it! Let's go, Pauline! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! You did it! Holy shit! Let's go! and there's no other security past this point, so you're in. You're in. Have you ever done anything like this? So come on.
Entry price is $200 per person.
Okay, good.
Hello, before we continue this video, I have a very, very special announcement to make. In 2022, Pim and I attended a movie premiere of our favorite YouTubers Yes Theory in Amsterdam. We ended up meeting Amar from Yes Theory for the very first time, and it ended up being such a special experience. The movie was about this guy called Anders becoming the first person to ever complete an Ironman in Antarctica, a full-length triathlon, to show that limitations are perceptions. Anders named his Ironman an Iceman, and after the movie he asked the audience what their own Iceman is, aka their own biggest dream. And I remember thinking to myself for the 1000th time that I wanted to be a full-time creator. And a year later, Pim and I took the leap into the unknown to start this adventure you're watching right now in an attempt to turn this YouTube channel into a career. And now, 8 weeks after launching episode 1, I am so excited to announce that we are premiering the last episode of this series in a theater in front of 250 people. In a beautifully serendipitous way, this movie is also potentially about Antarctica. It's also about me completing my own Iceman, my biggest dream of becoming a full-time creator, and it'll also be in Amsterdam. At the event, you can meet Pim and I and talk to us. You can also meet people who helped us during this adventure, who appear on this series, as well as 250 other like-minded people from this community. There will be a red carpet and a banner to take pictures, and most importantly, you can see the conclusion to this series on the big screen before anyone else sees it. There aren't many tickets left, so if you want to get a ticket, I recommend you get it pretty quickly because it'll sell out quite fast, I think. And I just want to say I'm so grateful to be selling out an entire theater of 250 people when my videos were literally averaging around 1,000 views just 8 weeks ago. My life has completely changed these last 2 months and I'm so grateful for it. I'm so excited to see what the future of this channel holds, and I'm so excited to start building this community starting the 8th of May and to be meeting some of you in real life. So if you haven't got tickets yet and if you want to come to the event, there will be a link in the description. And that's it. Now back to Australia.
Yeah, so we got in here for free, and now we're looking for a drink. I'll tell you what, you can trade in 10 cups for a free drink.
So there's this thing where you can pick up empty cans, and for every single one you get $1. So if you pick up 26 of them, you get 2 free drinks. So we're gonna abuse this.
Let's do this for the next 20 minutes.
Oh, I see him. I see. He's got so many.
Oh, bro, I've got like 75.
Whoa, let's get some drinks. Well done. The sun is coming out. We got like 8 drinks. It's gonna be a good day.
Hey bro, say what you want, but I'm gonna have fun today. Hello!
Thank you.
Dankeschön.
Thank you.
Guten Tag.
Round 1.
Hey.
Round 2. Bro, we found the glitch in the matrix.
Let's go.
Okay, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. 7. 9. We got 9 drinks. Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's have some fun, eh?
I don't think I've ever gotten that many free drinks in my life.
When I was 18 years old, I used to listen to this song called Congratulations by Post Malone on repeat. I had just graduated from high school and I had so many big dreams.
A beautician, whether you want to be an entomologist, whether you want to be a rocket scientist, whatever the fuck you want to do it the best that you fucking can and do it your fucking way, because there's no one fucking on this planet that's fucking cool.
Everyone when they are young knows what their destiny is. They are not afraid to dream.
Motherfuckers, I love you so much, and this song is called Congrats Job.
And so this song, a song about achieving your dreams, really spoke to me. And now, a couple of years later, I was living all those dreams. From seeing world wonders, to hitchhiking the Saudi desert, to road tripping Australia, and now making it full circle by witnessing that song live in the middle of the most incredible adventure of my life.
But as time passes, a mysterious force begins to convince most people that it will be impossible for them to realize their destiny.
Be your fucking self, be who the fuck you are, because there's no one fucking cooler than you, man.
In this moment, I thought back to that 18-year-old kid, and I knew he would be so proud.
My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I was patient, yeah. Oh, I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations.
Everyone, when they are young, knows what their destiny is. They are not afraid to dream. But as time passes, a mysterious force begins to convince most people that it will be impossible for them to realize their destiny. People are capable at any time in their lives of doing what they dream of.
The police. When is the question? So you know where you're going next, or you know what's going on? You can't like camp at the airport without a ticket flying out.